Hello everyone, this is Alex with PhoneArena. I'm currently using the Moto G 2026 to record video. I'm using the main camera, which is a 50 megapixel camera, and I'm using the normal mode. It also has a 2x zoom mode, which uses sensor crop, and it's pretty smooth when you transition between the two modes. From what I can tell, it's a bit shaky, so stabilization is not that great, but the colors and the quality look pretty good. I cannot say the same about HDR though. It seems to be exposing for the highlights, but in this case, when pointing it at the bright sky with the clouds, the areas that are in shadow are completely dark, so you cannot see any detail in them. Other than that, it also has a 2 megapixel macro camera, which also shoots video. I'll show you in a bit.